Would you help me move this?
Sure, no problem.
Should I take the train?
Yes, it's faster.
Would you go out in the rain?
Only if necessary.
Should we watch that movie?
Yes, it looks interesting.
Would you lend me your pen?
Here you go.
Should I bring snacks?
That's a good idea.
Would you play soccer with us?
I'd love to.
Should we walk or drive?
Let's drive.
Would you wear a coat in winter?
Always.
Should I visit the doctor?
Yes, you should.
Would you like coffee or tea?
Tea, please.
Should we meet tomorrow?
That works for me.
Would you like to join us?
Sure, thank you.
Should I call the police?
Only if it's urgent.
Would you live in another country?
Maybe for a while.
Should we buy more groceries?
Yes, we're out of milk.
Would you take this job?
If it pays well, yes.
Should I text him first?
Yes, it's polite.
Would you eat sushi?
I love sushi.
Should we stay or go?
Let's go.
Would you sing a karaoke?
Only if I'm with friends.
Should I try this new recipe?
Definitely.
Would you wear this color?
It suits me.
Should we save money for a trip?
Always a good idea.
Would you swim in a lake?
Yes, if it's clean.
Should I start my homework now?
Yes, don't delay.
Would you go hiking alone?
No, I'd go with someone.
Should we invite her to the party?
Yes, she'll enjoy it.
Would you buy a new phone?
If I need one, yes.
Should I take an umbrella?
Yes, it might rain.
Would you like some dessert?
Yes, please.
Should I wear these shoes?
They look great.
Would you recommend this book?
Absolutely.
Should we plan a picnic?
That's a fun idea.
Would you run a marathon?
Only after training.
Should I take this shortcut?
If it's safe, yes.
Would you work on the weekend?
Only if necessary.
Should we bake a cake?
That sounds fun.
Would you ever skydive?
Maybe someday.
Should I study more?
Yes, it's important.
Would you visit a haunted house?
Only with friends.
Should we paint the walls blue?
It'll look nice.
Would you like another drink?
No, I'm good.
Should I ask for help?
Yes, if you need it.
Would you prefer cats or dogs?
Dogs, for sure.
Should I wear a hat today?
Yes, it's sunny.
Would you like to travel soon?
Yes, I love traveling.
Should we clean the house?
It needs it.
Would you ride a roller coaster?
Always.
Should I turn off the lights?
Yes, to save power.
Would you prefer pizza or pasta?
Pasta today.
Should we leave early?
Yes, to avoid traffic.
Would you learn a new language?
I'd love to.
Should I bake cookies?
Everyone will love them.
Would you wear this outfit?
It's not my style.
Should we call it a day?
Yes, I'm tired.
Would you try bungee jumping?
Maybe once.
Should I write this down?
Yes, you'll remember it better.
Would you stay up late?
Sometimes, yes.
Should we adopt a puppy?
That would be amazing.
Would you climb that mountain?
With proper gear, yes.
Should I pack my lunch?
It'll save money.
Would you go to the beach?
I love the beach.
Should we visit Grandma?
Yes, she'll be happy.
Would you wake up early for a sunrise?
Definitely.
Should I tell her the truth?
Yes, always.
Would you eat chocolate cake?
Of course.
Should we donate to charity?
Yes, it's kind.
Would you like to play a game?
Sure, let's play.
Should I go for a walk?
It's good exercise.
Would you watch this movie?
It looks interesting.
Should we buy tickets now?
Yes, before they sell out.
Would you share your notes?
Yes, no problem.
Should I try this dress?
It looks great on you.
Would you live near the ocean?
I'd love to.
Should we eat out tonight?
That sounds fun.
Would you like to dance?
Yes, let's dance.
Should I take a day off?
If you need rest, yes.
Would you ever write a book?
Maybe someday.
Should we take this road?
It's the fastest route.
Would you play chess with me?
Sure, I enjoy chess.